Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, finally I'm announcing the NLP live community session for both machine learning and deep learning. Here I'm not going to tell you that for how many days it will be going ahead, but here I will plan in such a way that I'll start from basics NLP and it will be going on till we complete the entire NLP for both machine learning and deep learning. Now, with respect to the dates that we are planning to start, it will be from next week, Tuesday, that is 14 June 2022. Every day, I will be coming live at 7 p.m. and we will be starting our NLP session from basics. Okay. I'm going to cover many libraries like NLTK Spacey in case of machine learning. Then we'll go to What2Vec. We'll understand the libraries with respect to GenSim. And then we'll be moving towards RNN, LSTM RNN, bidirectional LSTM RNN. Then we'll again cover transformers and finally BERT. And we'll do a lot of practical sessions. So till now, I've taken so many different kind of community sessions, let it be stats, machine learning, deep learning, and people liked it. Even I've covered community sessions with respect to EDA. So my plan is again to make sure that the community learns in a proper way. So my suggestion will be that please make sure that you subscribe the channel, press the bell notification icon so that whenever I go live from next week on Tuesday onwards at basically every day at 7 p.m. you should be getting the notification from my side. Okay. Now, the other thing is that all the materials related to this NLP sessions will be uploaded in the dashboard that will be given in the description of this particular video so that none of your materials gets missed. Even the video links will be put up over there as we will be conducting all the sessions. So I hope everybody attends those sessions. One special request from your side, since we are doing this for community building, please make sure that you share this video with everyone. Tag me, let it be in LinkedIn, in other platforms, Twitter and all. I'll definitely provide you an amazing response for over there. But again, understand why we are doing this is specifically to teach people in a better way. This entire session will actually help you to crack interviews or perform better in the interviews, because I'll also be covering a lot of interview questions as we go ahead. So yes, please make sure that again, please share this video with everyone. It will be definitely beneficial for the people, for everyone out there. So yes, I will be seeing you in Tuesday's session. Till then, have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.